Hello everybody and welcome to another day in trucking life. My name is Magnus and I'm from Sweden and I work for the Swedish Post Office or Postal Services, and we are embarking on a day of deliveries as usual. And my boss told me, don't worry, after the midsummer there is not much to deliver. Well, surprise, surprise, I have a full load as usual. So, no different from another day in paradise. And, well, let's go. So, now we're going on a different tour, or what you say, than the last time. And if I get out of here in sometimes today, thank you. Oh, I need my Pepsi Max instead of coffee. I don't drink coffee, so I need Pepsi Max. I think it's not good for you, but it kills everyone, including yourself, after a while, I think. So good. It's a bit crooked here, I think. Like that. That's better. Life is good. I just remember something. I have a very high pallet in the back and I forgot to secure it, so it's quite stable, but you never know. So I hope it hasn't tipped over or something like that, because that wouldn't be good. Well, we're soon at the first delivery and we're going in here. A lot of small, narrow roads on this trip. So we'll see where we end up. I think I have to back out of this place we're going to today, because I don't think I can turn the truck around at the house. Now look at this sign here on the right. The warning sign for elderly person with a cane. We're going we're going to the end of this road. The road ends where we're going, and I don't like it. Sväng höger, turn right. Oh, okay, yeah, we're going to turn right there. I thought I was driving further up, but we're turning right here. Oh! In 300 meters, I'm at my destination, the GPS say. GPS. And if I have to back out, I can turn around here. These houses on the right wasn't here the last time I was here. It's not so fun to drive on these small roads and have to back out. But you do what you gotta do. What the? I think I've been there before. Not with a truck, with Oh, maybe can turn around here. Or maybe not. Actually, she had her own little truck, so she said you can turn around, you can turn the truck up on my farm. So that's pretty nice. And she told me another truck had got stuck in her when he was driving in. He said he was a cocky guy also, so he said, "Oh, no problem." And then he got stuck on the stone wall, and they had to call a service truck to get him out. And oh, that's so funny. Oh, shit. I need to take a leak, and that's a good place to do it. Oh, that's so good. That's the drawback about driving a truck. You don't have a toilet. So when you get the chance, you take a piss. And what better place to do it than in the woods? We are so soon back to civilization, and we're going to the next stop. This is what I do all day. One stop after another. And another reason to stop to take a leak is because I have diabetes, and you get instant, I gotta pee now. I can't wait. So that's nice. No, that's not nice. I don't know if I told you this the last time I made a video when I was driving my truck. I called my other channel Swede TV. Also Swede TV. And same as this channel, I do the real life. I mean, many YouTubers had a life that's all glamour, and they are traveling and doing fun things, buying expensive cars. I'm exactly the opposite. I have an electric car, but it's my wife who paid for it. So therefore I call it the real life. The real life has some shit in the corners where you live. Everything looks like shit and it's messy. I have a regular job, and well, working class stiff. But it's nice sometimes. I wish it was more traveling though. I would like to see some more of the world before it's gone. You never know what's gonna happen. Or I would like to see some more of the world before I am gone, because it's more likely that I am gone before the world is gone. But the way things are going, you never know. I feel sad for my children if the world is gone. I feel sad for my children if I'm gone. But that's life. And now we are going to the secret place that we can't have the camera up, so I have to take it down. And when you film like I do, it's stuck to the window. It's good to have a DJI Action 3 or 4 because the clips are magnetic, so it's easy to take off. I think that's really nice. I love that. Instead of GoPro, you have to screw everything. This is much easier. And then we are continuing the delivery of pallets. There's one pallet, I wonder why does it come now. It's a half pallet with things that a school class had sold for a trip or something, but the school is over here for this semester, so I was wondering why the stuff comes now and not a couple of weeks ago. Oh, there's a RV who have a Starlink. That's pretty nice. My dream is to have an RV and travel, not Sweden, no, travel in a warm country, at least in the winter, because I hate snow. I really hate snow. I can't stand it. So always go north. No. Always go south and never go north, because it's cold and snowy and icy, and oh, I love the sun and the summer. So never go north. Well, I had to take a small detour. But I get to the next stop, no problem. But because of these trucks, when you have a sharp turn, to right or left, it doesn't matter. It cuts the corners so badly because I only have one axle in the back. And if I had two axles, usually the rear axle will turn with the front wheel, so it's easier to take a corner, but not with these trucks. This is why I have to take a small detour, because my last stop was a farm and it had a lot of trees and shit in the way, so I had to back in, and then I couldn't make the turn out on the way I came from. So it became a small detour on this narrow road. But at least it's asphalt, it's not gravel. And if I continue on this road, I will get out on the main road about 2 kilometers or something like that. So I end up at the same place, just have to take a smaller road and a bumpier road, or a bad road. Well, it's almost lunchtime. It's 5 to 11, so another hour, then I have to have lunch, because you can only drive for 4.5 hours or work 6 hours before you have to have a break. The same problem appears almost every day. I need a toilet or a bathroom. My wife was in England a couple of years ago, long before she met me, and she was living with an English family, and they had some Americans on to visit them, and the Englishman said, "Do you have a bathroom?" And the American response was, "Why? You did take a bath?" Or the English say, "Oh, I have to use the loo." fridge delivered. Now it's just back out of here, and then we're going to deliver some summer furniture. As you can hear, I'm not quite good at all English words, but furniture, summer furniture. I stumbled a bit there. So we're backing out of this place and going about 4 minutes. Then we are at the next stop. So it's been a slow process so far, but now we're cooking, and now it's gonna get. Now we're gonna empty the car in about an hour or something like that. And it's almost lunchtime, as I said before. Now we're gonna turn here. And don't back down any light posts. Yeah, we are out. Not so difficult. Now we're going down by the ocean, where the rich people live. There's a pile of wood. I mean, for the cozy fire at winter. That reminds me, I need to cut some wood for us. I need to put on the AC because now it's getting hot here. It's 20 degrees, and that's hot for Sweden. Really hot. I wish the sun could come out and it would be 30 degrees. This is the community I live in. Not right here, but it's near here. Near here. Turn left to the Fagerviksvägen. We will do that. Even if I know where I'm going, I'm still using the GPS because it tells me what house. Yay. So much tourists here in my hometown. Oh my God. And I can't drive a car because it's, I don't want to discriminate anybody, but old people sometimes they are too careful, and young people are too not careful. So and sometimes I think you have to have a balance of that. Be careful or not so careful, because otherwise you'll never get where you're going. Ay. I have, I think, 3 stops before lunch, and it's almost 12 o'clock already, so it's been difficult today because I have to move all the pallets to get to unload other things, and that's a mistake on my part. I didn't think it was so much pallets today, but it was. But now the car or the truck is beginning to be more maneuverable in the back, because now I have unloaded so many pallets that I have some free space. So if it weren't for packages, I have to deliver at latest in a half an hour, I would have took another stop here. Lunchtime, finally! I have this box that I heat up in the car or the truck. You just plug it in, 24 volts or 12 volts. And I have my lasagna. The company I work for have a small base here where I am. I'm parked outside it, but I feel better to sit in my truck by myself and have quiet and don't have to talk to anybody except you guys. So I'm gonna eat my lunch here, then we're gonna work the last 4 hours of my shift. Then we get to go home finally. It's not quite the view I used to have. I park by the sea and have a nice view of the ocean right here, but not today. Just industrial. So maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Well, see you in a bit. Okay, 45 minutes later and it's time to go. Time to go and load and unload another pallet, because I have one pallet left to unload, so it's time to drive out of here. And I need a bathroom also, so let's go to next stop. I had to call my boss to ask if a certain place had something that I will collect, because I haven't got it in my work phone. And I'm sad to say that I had some, so I gotta go. I don't like it to go there. I mean, I have 2 stops here and both places have heavy pallets. I mean, from 800 kilos to about 1 ton. The max weight on a pallet we take is 1 ton, so I can't take any heavier. But that is quite enough. And today was not a good day to have. It's flour, you know, a pallet of flour. I wish they had only 1 pallet, but they can have many pallets. And I don't like it. Why is he standing in the road to do that? Why is he even doing that? And some people in the garden, they can't take care of the outside of the garden. I have enough with my garden to take care of outside of the garden. I need to hire someone to do it instead, because I'm not a gardener. I'm a truck driver. I don't think this is optimal loading. So now I have all the heavy pallets in the rear of the truck, because I have too many cages from the place who turn supermarkets packages, empty cages mostly. So I have 4 heavy pallets in the rear of the truck and only light stuff in the front, so this is not good. But now I am very late, so very late. So I need to speed this up. I can't do it any faster. This is not good. Not good. In fact, I hate it. I hate loading like this. I don't like it. I want stability in the truck, and this is not stability. And I hate that we have so many. No, I don't have 2 places with heavy pallets. I have 3. I think it stinks. I really hate it. Oh shit. I think I'm not gonna miss it in that sense. Because before, when it didn't have the flour, it was an okay round. Now, too many heavy pallets. Many times it's more than 8.2 tons.
One eternity later.
Well, at the end of the day, it turns to be hell. It's 4:10 and I should have been unloaded and at next place 40 minutes ago. I'm stuck here. And it's just hell. I hate this. I hate being late, and I hate being I hate traffic. Why do I work as a truck driver if I hate traffic? That don't make sense. Finally, this day is over. It's now 20 minutes past 5 in the afternoon. And I'm going home. So, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribing, please do so. And if you like it, leave a comment if you like this content, or maybe I should do something else, but I don't know what that's gonna be there. So this is it. See you next time. Bye.